I just wanted to say that I think Morbek's idea going around the USA is really funny and really cool. Sorry that I do not live in the USA. I think it would have been really funny to watch Chipmunk Chick take care of my two babies. Too bad she cannot come to Germany because, yeah, we have really pretty houses and... my eyeball. Yes, basically, it's 7 o'clock in the morning and I don't know why I'm already awake. Okay, I know I wanted to say hi, Morbek, and you're awesome. Yeah, so I felt like talking like a chipmunk today too, because I never have before. So yeah, cool. Yeah, that's basically it. I have to go take a shower now, and I bet my baby is gonna wake up pretty soon, because, yeah, he's a baby, and, yeah, they get hungry, and I have to feed him. So that was it from me today. Okay, goodbye now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye. I am wearing these glasses because Eric Winter, he's a really funny guy from Germany. Yeah, I like him a lot. I like his videos. So, you should watch Eric Winter's videos. And if you don't, shame on you. So, I wanted to say hi to Eric Winter, and, I'm wearing these glasses because he told me to wear these glasses. So, maybe someone can tell me if I should dump the glasses or keep the glasses. Okay, so, now I'm done.